Hey everyone, here's the first look at the art journal page we're making today. I'm working in my large dilutions art journal and I've mixed up several colors of Dina Wakley Media paint. I've mixed them together to create my own unique colors. And now I'm applying them on my page with a paintbrush, and I'm going to overlap the two colors, first going in with the yellow and then the peach color, and I'm overlapping them but not blending so that you can actually see the different layers of color. After this is dry, I'm going to bring in a stamp and a archival ink, which is a waterproof ink, and I'm going to begin placing this flower stamp in a pattern randomly over 3/4 of my page, and then using some Nuvo drops to put 3D centers in the middle of each of these flowers, and I will let this dry 100% before I begin placing any more products. Next, I'm ripping up a piece of Dina Wakley Media tissue. This is from the Flying Things pack. And I'm ripping it up in just an abstract shape, and then I will glue it down onto my page. And when I say gluing it down, what I actually mean is that I'm placing some distress collage medium right in the center of the tissue only, and then pressing it on my page. So actually the edges are going to be loose. And when I begin my collage, I will do it through this glued center area so that I'm actually covering it up, so this tissue paper will be able to move and have a lot of texture on my page. To begin my collage, I've grabbed several pieces of the Spring Abstracts Ephemera pack, and I'm layering them to create a unique focal point. So I've glued down the bird and the flower piece first, and then I will stack the blue flowers and the Happiness Blooms from Within piece. And then I will actually alter this black and white swirl with my scissors so that I've cut it now into two pieces, and I will be able to put those on both sides of my word to kind of draw focus and also mimic what's happening with the bird and the flowers. A cool thing that you can always keep in mind when you're collaging is that you can't cut things apart and alter them. That's part of creating art and making things your own in your own unique style. And as I glue this into place, my page is complete. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you got ideas to use in your own artwork. Please take a picture or a video and share it and tag us so I can look at what you're creating today. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any videos we post in the future.